Well, hello to my YouTube friends. I am on my way to work, and I just wanted to let you guys know that the surgery went well. Um, she went in surgery last night at 10 o'clock, and apparently she had to get sewed up. The cervix had to be sewed. My grandkids were trying to get here too early. But everything went well thanks to you guys out there who commented on my page of all your prayers. I love you guys' support. I appreciate that so very much. Um, let's see. And my son, he's going to take off work for a while, and then I'm going to step in and try to keep the boys as much as I can. My other two kids. Now, they've came up with two names. And right now we're looking at Dylan and Devon. So I'm going to have Tim, Jordan, Dylan, and Devon. Interesting. So I'm in traffic now, and I'm trying to drive and get to work. I don't have no accident trying to make this video. But I love you guys out there. Thank you so very much for all your support. That's why I love YouTube so much, because of the support system that you get from people that you've never met, and as caring people like you guys out there. So you guys have a blessed day. I love you guys, and I wanted to make sure that I give you guys the update on what's going on. So leave your comments down below. I love my comments. God bless, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.